Good morning, class. Today's learning goal is I can find 100% when given a percentage and its equivalent. Okay. Excuse me. So let's get started. First, we're going to review what we've learned so far. This is an example of a question that we've done before. What is 65 over 84 as a percentage? Okay. So let's first review what it means to have a percentage right here, a percentage. Okay. Percentage means per 100. Okay. So we don't know what 65 over 84 is as a percentage. However, we do know that 65 over 84 equals something over 100, because percentage again means over 100. Okay, so that's why we have it as equals x over 100, because as a percentage we don't know what it is over 100. Percentage means over 100. What is it as something over 100? Okay, percentage means over 100. What we're going to learn today is about questions like this. In a box, 15% of the balls are green. There are 54 green balls. Find the number of balls in the box. Okay, so 15% of them are green. So are the balls going to be mostly green or less than 50% green? Okay. Obviously it's going to be less than 50% because it's right here. 15% is less than 50%. Okay. Percent again means over 100. So we're going to have 15 over 100 somewhere in our problem. Okay. Now, it says there are 54 green balls. Find the number of balls in the box. Okay. So 15 belongs to green. Okay, so 15 out of every 100 balls are green. So I'm going to write green at the top. Green. And that is the top part because of 15%. Okay, 15% of the balls are green. Now we also know that overall, 54 of the balls are green. So we're going to write 54 at the top because we said that 54, or the top is green. We don't know how many balls there are in total. Okay, that's what this is asking for. Find the number of balls in the box. So we're looking for the 100%. And the bottom is total balls. Total balls. I'm just going to write B. Okay, total balls, green at the top, green balls at the top, total balls on the bottom. It's 54 over x equals 15 over 100. Okay, because we know what the 15% is. Overall, it's 54. Okay, so we're going to cross multiply because it's 15 over x equals 5,400. We're going to divide by 15. When we do that, we find out that 15 goes into 5,400 360 times. I'm not going to show the work there, but it would be, it would be 5,400 360 and 15 on the outside. Okay, and that would be 360 balls. Okay, again, as usual, the most important thing is setting up the proportion correctly. We have green at the top because green is 15%, over 100. Total balls we don't know, but we do know how many green balls there are. Our next question is, in a class, 25% of the students wear glasses. There are 8 students wearing glasses. Find the number of students in the class. Okay, again, 25% of the students wear glasses. So that means a fourth of the students wear glasses. So, and a fourth is 8. So we're going to set this up again as 8. Oh, excuse me. 8 over, we don't know how many students there are in total, equals 25 over 100. Okay, again, 25% of the students wear glasses, 25 is at the top, so glasses over total students. Okay, we're trying to find the total number of students in the class. When we cross multiply, we get 25x equals 800. And so we divide both sides by 25. And so this is essentially saying how many quarters there are in $8, okay, which is 32. So 8 times 4 is 32. So x equals 32 students. I apologize for the bad handwriting, okay? X equals 32 students. The next one that we're going to do is this one. In a library, the fine for not returning a book on loan is 125% of the book. If the fine for a book that was not returned is $90, find the price of a book. Go ahead and try this one on your own. What you should have set up was 80 over x equals 125 over 100, because $80 is 125%. Okay, 125 is at the top because that corresponds to the fine, which is $90. Okay, we need to find the price of the book, and the price of the book is the 100. Okay, 120. You cross multiply to get 125x equals 9,000. Divide both sides by 125. 125. 125. This gets us x equals 72. Okay. Go ahead and pick up the worksheet and try some on your own. Go ahead.